we found this tiny dog curled up in a chicken pen. He was cold and shivering when we approached him. Most likely because he had mange. He was so little and should have been with his mother. There was no question for us to rescue this baby. He would have never survived on his own at the market. We took Pino directly to our safe house.
700 grams.
Most of the day, one of our team members was carrying Pino around so he could feel our heartbeat.